Have a look on this statistic, guys. YouTube has 2 billion logged in monthly user. 81% of 15 to 25-year-old in the US use YouTube. Almost 15% of YouTube site traffic comes from the US. People upload 500 hours of video every minute. Each visitor spend 11 minutes 24 seconds per day on YouTube on an average. And then I have a lot of statistics to show you guys that YouTube is one of the best platform to create your content free or to start your affiliate marketing business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with YouTube for beginners. This is a 3-step strategy to make $100 a day. That means, guys, any affiliate marketer beginner can start this YouTube channel right away, right now. If you're first time watching my channel, guys, do subscribe my channel, watch few of my videos if it is helping you to make money online, and do not forget to smash the like button for this video, guys. This is amazing strategy, guys, which I'm going to share you here. Just 3 steps, guys, and you can start making $100 here. In this 3-step strategy to make $100 doing affiliate marketing for beginners with YouTube, the number 1 strategy or the step is sign up with the affiliate program. You need a program, guys. You need a product. And here I'm not talking about some low ticket product of ClickBank. Here I'm talking about, guys, the tools which online marketers are using or internet marketers are using. For example, guys, GetResponse. GetResponse is a email marketing software, guys, which will help you to do email marketing. Okay, and this have a lot of other features like email marketing, creating sales funnel, landing pages, marketing automation, sign up, Facebook ads, and so many different things, right? And they also have a affiliate program. Okay, if you get down here, you will see they have a affiliate program over here. You have to become the affiliate of this kinds of a software. Okay, this is the first step, and here you can see you can make 33% of the recurring program, guys, every month. Okay, 33%. So this is how I am making, right? I already have a video where I showed you I made $1,000+ with GetResponse. Okay, you can watch that video. I will link that video at the end of this video, okay, so that you can watch and you can know that how I use GetResponse to made 33% or $1,000 a month. Okay, that I'm going to link the video at the end. So this is the first step here, and you have a lot of software, guys. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is known to create a sales funnel, guys. Every business online or a offline business, guys, need ClickFunnels to create sales funnel. If there is no sales funnel, guys, right now there is no business. The same thing like lead pages. Okay, you can get into lead pages. They also have a affiliate program, guys. Here, if you go down here and here you can see affiliate program over here. Okay, so you can register here, and then also, guys, Builderall. Okay, Builderall also known for a digital marketing software, which one for all for one software, which every person who's doing online marketing, they need it. First step is to make a register with them. Okay, ClickFunnels is amazing. They have amazing 40% recurring option. Okay, which you can make monthly without doing anything. Okay, so you can become the partner of them, like click here, affiliate, and here you can see these guys. Without using the ClickFunnels, you can become the member of this program, right? And now you can make 40% monthly recurring commission, which is very high, guys. There are products in the ClickBank, guys, which is not paying you this much. Okay, and there are many software, guys. For this video tutorial purpose, I'm using GetResponse or ClickFunnels, guys. I'm going to show you how you're going to start this all things. Okay, do not worry, watch the video till the end. I'm going to show you amazing thing which you can start right now, free and easy. Okay, so smash that like button, guys. Do not forget that. The second step in this strategy is to create a YouTube channel, which is free and which is easy. So you have to create a YouTube channel, guys, and you have to create videos. You don't want to show your face. It's fine, guys. In this strategy, you don't need to show your face. Now, few of the things which is there in your mind, how to create this thumbnail or the channel light. For that, guys, you can use this amazing free software called Canva. Canva allow you to create the channel art. Look at this, YouTube thumbnails and YouTube channel arts. All this you can create here. Okay, and now you have to do the screen recording, guys. That is a really important thing, and you don't need to show the face. If you're showing the face, guys, you're building the brand. That is amazing. Okay, so I can share you this one, like open broadcast software. Okay, this is called OBS Studio. You can use this software, guys, to do this screen recording. Okay, you can learn from YouTube, how to use this. And the software which I'm using is called Screen Customatic, which is amazing, which I will highly recommend you instead of open broadcasting software, and that is like it will help you to record your screen, edit your videos, and share your videos. Okay, and this is just $1 for a month. Okay, and I will leave the link in the description. You can use this one because this have tremendous clarity as compared to OBS also. Okay, so this is one of the thing. And now the question is, guys, how you're going to grow your YouTube channel. For all these things, guys, I will recommend you 2 good YouTube channels, guys, which I am following. That is Brian G. Johnson. Okay, this is the one YouTube channel you need right now to grow your YouTube channels. Okay, because I have 5 YouTube channel, guys. I started recently one more YouTube channel, and I am following Nick Mimian from a long time. His videos are amazing to grow your YouTube channel. Now the third step in this strategy is, guys, creating the content. And listen to this, guys, clearly. This is the pudding you have to pick right now here, and this is really, really important if you want to succeed in this strategy, guys. And that is creating the content when you get the 30 days free trial. Remember this, guys, all these softwares, which I showed you, and there are many more, all have almost 1 week or to 14 days to 30 days free trial. That means you're going to get registered with your email ID for free 30 days. Okay, and then, guys, you're going to create the content to all of his features, guys. Now listen to this, guys. You're creating the content because it's a free. You don't need to pay anything for this software, and you're creating the content for like email marketing, sales funnel, landing pages, marketing automation, autoresponder, This is a huge demand over there, guys. People want to see tutorials and training. Go and do this, guys. Go and do your research. You'll find this. The tutorial training videos always rank very good. Lot of traffic you're gonna get there. The same thing, guys, you're gonna do in the ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is almost 14 days free, guys. Register with the ClickFunnels. It's a 14 days free, and then you're gonna create a content in around the ClickFunnels. And for this, guys, for example, if I type here ClickFunnels, look at this, ClickFunnels tutorial, ClickFunnels landing pages, ClickFunnels marketing, ClickFunnels tutorials, again review, alternative, all these things, guys. You can optimize this keyword. This I call, guys, money making keywords, like how to use ClickFunnels for affiliate marketing. Okay, how to use ClickFunnels for beginner, how to use how to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, how to make money with ClickFunnels today, how to make money with ClickFunnels. All these keywords are out there, guys, and you can target with tutorials and training, all these things. Okay, even you can do the review also because it's a completely free for you. The same thing for the get response, guys. Let me type here get response, and here you can see get response tutorial, landing page, auto funnel, get response versus ClickFunnels, webinar, auto responder, automation, email marketing, all of the features, guys. That means you have to create a YouTube channel, dedicated YouTube channel, where you're showing people how to use this software, tutorials, tools, and demo, guys. Let me show you one of the result in my channel itself. Here I created this video, guys. How can you use get response in affiliate marketing? I got 300 views in this, guys, and here you can see another video which I created 1 month back, and I made $1,490, guys, just doing these things what I showed you here, guys, showing people how to use get response. Okay, I'm going to link these 2 videos at the end of this video, so watch this video till the end so that you can get these 2 videos also. Okay, now, guys, look at this, Tyler Moray. I use and I follow this channel to learn how to use WordPress. Okay, how to create a website in the WordPress. And look at this, how to make a WordPress, and look at the size of this video, 2 hours, okay, and 3 hours. And look at this, how to make a WordPress website for beginners, 1 year, guys, and it got 3.2 million views. Okay, and he's doing affiliate marketing with the WordPress themes as well as, guys, WordPress too. WordPress also a having affiliate program. Okay, so this is dedicated channel on WordPress. So here I'm talking about, guys, you're starting a channel same like this, very dedicated channel about internet marketing tools and tutorials, okay, like ClickFunnels. Okay, ClickFunnels can be used for creating landing page or website. There are many features, guys. If you create your account, you get 14 days trial, and this trial, guys, you can learn what is ClickFunnels is all about. Type here like ClickFunnels tutorial. You will see a lot of people are doing already what I'm talking about, but there is one thing, they don't have a particular channel talking about that. Okay, only tools and tutorials. Okay, and you can create amazing money with with this, guys. 40% of recurring billing. Okay, just show them, just provide them value, guys. You can make money with it. It's a very simple strategy, guys. Right? Sign up for affiliate program like ClickFunnels, GetResponse. There are many more. Create a YouTube channel showing how to use those softwares. Okay, create the content around those. Okay, all the features, show them, right? Watch few of the videos on those contents and then create your own. I hope you're gonna like this strategy, guys. This nobody's doing, guys. Just recently only I started my own channel. I am doing this. I already did the research, guys. You have to take the actions. Okay, hope you're gonna like this, guys. If you like it, smash that like button, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment, right? What do you think about this strategy? Smash that like button, guys. Do subscribe and watch these two videos, guys, where you're gonna see, right, how I'm promoting a product as well as how I made $1,000 with that same product which I was talking about in this video.